Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech. See, direct and indirect speech. Direct speech means exact words of the speaker. Exact words of the speaker. Indirect speech means meaning of speaker's words. So what he spoke here, this as it is we convey in a direct speech. But the meaning of these words we convey through indirect speech. See, direct speech exact words. The exact words. So suppose he said, comma, quote, I want a book. I want a book, full stop, unquote. Why we are maintaining these quotation marks? Because we are showing the exact words of the speaker by highlighting with quotation marks or inverted commas. And this outside one part you are observing, this is called reporting. This is called speech part. Speech part. This is reporting and this is speech part. So these two parts are separated with comma. This is the structure of direct speech. See here, in indirect speech, what we write? The meaning of the speaker's words. See what he said we write. See, he said or told that here I refers to he. He wanted a book. See what is the difference here? Here comma is there, but that comma is removed. In the place of comma, we used one connector. And here I is changed as he, because here the speaker is he. See here the present tense becomes past. So whatever it might be, what he said, the same thing we conveyed. That is the meaning of the speaker's words. Here what we have to observe, actually we report after happening something. So based on this point, we should write past form of the tense used in the direct speech. Already past form is there, then we need not change. We can continue the past tense. Okay, so that the first point is tense. We should change the tense. Not only that, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, meaningfully we should change. See here, commonly we have four kinds of sentences. So let us see the example with declarative sentence. See, he said, comma, I have a house. Say, he said, He said in the sense that completed. When he said, I don't know. Whether it is there or not there, we don't know. So that when we write answer, we should write he said that. Who said here? I refers to he. So that he, past form of have is had. That he had a house. Full stop. So here if you observe this indirect speech, it ends with only full stop, no other punctuation marks. It should end with only full stop, no other punctuation mark, because we should write indirect speech only in declarative format. So we should not use any other format. Suppose you observe, see, he said, comma, how are you? How are you? Question mark, unquote. See, he said, how are you? Here it is a question. So said becomes asked, because that is meaningful. He asked, how, here you means me, that means, so that how I was, full stop. We should not write how was I. If you write how was I, it becomes again interrogative. So the indirect speech has only one format, that is declarative. So every kind of sentence must be converted into declarative only. So he asked how I was. So full stop. Are is present tense, was is past tense. And here you may ask doubt, sir, for declarative you have used that as connector, but here you did not use anything. Yes, here the question word how is there, no? The same word is connector here. So we need not use any other. We should not use, not need not, we should not use any other connector. When there is any WH word as question, so we should use the same word as connector. See one more, he said, comma, congratulations, 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 or full stop, either exclamation or full stop. So what is the meaning of this? What happened here? He congratulated me. That's only the meaning of this sentence. He congratulated me. Very simple. What had happened here? We conveyed. Just this is the meaning of this speech. He congratulated me. Otherwise, he wished me congratulations. So like that, we follow only meaning. Okay, see here, we have suppose exclamatory sentence, let us see. Exclamatory sentence. See example, he said, comma, quote, how tall you are, exclamation, how tall you are. See, you know, exclamatory sentence is nothing but a strong and sudden expression. See, we should maintain the intention of the speaker. So we should not deviate. So that he exclaimed that I was very tall. If I don't use very, there is no strength, there is no Stress, actually, how tall you are, that is the expression of the speaker. Suppose we don't use this very, we are losing that the intention of the speaker. So we don't have right to deviate the speaker's intention or meaning. So that we should maintain this one. So he exclaimed that I was very tall. Sir, here how is there no? Why you have added that? It is not interrogative. I told you WH question word. If it is a WH question word, use the same word as connector. It is not question word. It is exclamation. For exclamation we use that only. Now you may ask doubt. What is that? Sir, we are not able to understand what is the connector. I will tell you clearly now what are the. So let us see the connectors. We have that when there is declarative and exclamatory. And we have if or whether for yes or no type questions. Yes or no type questions. We have WH word when there is WH word. Same word. So we use to or not to for imperative. Imperative. See, declarative, exclamatory. See, yes, this is interrogative. There are two types, yes or no type answers and WH type, and imperative. So all the four types are covered here, and these are the connectors. See that if or whether, WH word, and to and not to. Okay, so this is about direct and indirect speech. Thank you.